maxi dress, I am using 4 meter chiffon fabric and 2 meter lining. First, I am making a bodice. Then mark a 30 inches and again 30 inches, and then join all the points into a straight line, and then cut a fabric, and then I am cut a excess fabric. First folded a fabric into a lengthwise and again folded a fabric into breadthwise. Shoulder measuring mark 7 inches and mark 8 inches down, and breast measuring mark 7.5 inches plus 2 inches is equal to 9 inches, and join all the points into a straight line, and then join the shoulders into a round shape like this. Waist measuring mark 7 inches, add 2 inches for seam allowance, and then cut it. Mark a half inches on shoulder. Next, neck measuring mark a 3.5 inches and again 3 inches, and then join all the points into a straight line, and then cut a neck, and then sewing a front and back pieces shoulder. Next, hammer neck. I am adding round shape fabric. One top stitch on neck, and then I am sewing a neck on hand sewing. Next, I am making a sleeves. First folded a fabric into a lengthwise and again folded a fabric. Mark a sleeves length 23 inches and again 23 inches, and then cut a fabric. Shoulder measuring marker 2 inches and again 2 inches, and then join into a round shape like this, and then cut it. And then hem a sleeves bottom part. Then top stitch on a sleeves bottom. And then gathering. And then add elastic on gatherings. and then one top stitch on sleeves top part, and then gathering. Next, join the sleeves into a bodice, shoulder to shoulder, only one side bodice sewing. Making a peplum, first folded a fabric into a lengthwise and again folded a fabric into a triangle. My waist total length is 28 plus 2 inches extra for seam allowance. Then mark 8 inches and again 8 inches and then join all the points into a round shape and then cut it. Then mark 33 inches and again 33 inches. Join all the points into a round shape and then cut it. And then join up peplums into a bodice. Next I am making a frill. My peplum total length is 120 inches and then frill total length is 240 inches and 8 inches breadth. And then I am cut a 88 inches piece. And then join all the pieces one by one. And then one top stitch on fabric. Next gatherings on fabric. And then hem off frill's bottom part. And then join a frills on a peplum. And then one side sewing of dress. I am done.
Kick. Everybody shake it, baby.